Unlock the power of learning with Google's latest innovation in Google Classroom. Introducing a dynamic, podcast-style audio tool designed to transform educational experiences. Unlock the power of learning with Google's latest innovation in Google Classroom. Introducing a dynamic, podcast-style audio tool designed to transform educational experiences. Teachers, you can now learning with Google's latest innovation in Google Classroom. Introducing a dynamic, podcast-style audio tool designed to transform
Welcome to CineFlow AI. Welcome to our tutorial on CineFlow AI. Today, we will explore how this powerful tool can transform your video creation process. A variety of features, including customizable templates, voiceover capabilities, and automated editing tools.
trên YouTube là cách tuyệt vời.
Videos allows businesses and creators to extend the life of their content and reach wider audiences. Live streams capture valuable moments.
Style video. This explainer begins with a professional voiceover, flowing into data-focused visuals seize your attention. The style is calm and authoritative, lending credence to the information.
Creating professional videos often feels calm. CineFlow AI simplifies this entire content into high-quality videos.
I need you to look at something. I just sent it to your phone. Tell me if I'm losing my mind, or if this is actually the new normal.
Okay, let me see. Oh, wow. Is this a receipt from that bar in New York? The one that's been blowing up on Twitter all week?
That's...
Ever missed capturing breathtaking moments due to poor camera quality? I discovered the Minolta MND65 while searching for a high-res camera. The 56 MP photo resolution immediately caught my attention. Now I capture stunning details effortlessly.
Modern workspace, camera slowly zooms into a computer screen displaying the CineFlow AI logo. Ever imagine transforming your ideas into professional videos with just a few clicks?